Well, team, we finally got a Traeger on the channel. Guys, it's been a long time coming. Now, little upfront, Traeger did not send me this. They're not paying me to do this video. I won this bad boy in a raffle, okay? So after all these years of doing content, doing barbecue content, pellet grills galore, all that stuff, this is the first time I've had a Traeger on the channel. I'm gonna use it a lot because I like the brand name gets some clicks probably. So, and it's synonymous with pellet grill cooking. So we got the Woodridge Pro, right? It's the one between the regular Woodridge and the Woodridge Elite. So we got the Woodridge Pro. We got a lot of things to go over. There's a bunch of bells and whistles, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the burn in on this. And then for the first cook, which is not only gonna be on this video, but I will link it up there. We're gonna do some St. Louis cut ribs. Guys, the first thing we did before we go into setting this whole thing up is we got it unboxed. I paid my son to put it together. Took him about an hour or so, and he's my resident pit builder. Okay, so anytime I get a new grill sent to me, I pay that kid to put them together because I hate doing it. And he said it went together pretty easily. He has wished the plague on other companies because their grill instructions suck, but he was really impressed with how Traeger did the job. So it's very cool. So just keep that in mind. I had to go and help him a couple times just because it's, some heavier parts when you're moving and grooving and setting it up. But for the most part, one person can do it. The other thing is the Traeger boxing or the packaging comes with the inside. You could turn it into a fort as you're opening it and moving it all out. So I know at least one person in the household having fun with that. I think someone's having too much fun.
Stop it.
Is this the new office, honey?
Shh. Bothering me, I'm trying to work.
You're trying to work in there, for real? You know this is for the kids, right? It's for the children.
This is the only grill you're allowed to get from now on because it came with a toy for me.
Yeah, everybody's a kid at heart. But let's get into this bad boy right here. I got my notes. The first thing we got to do is download the Traeger app. All right, so we can get this bad boy hooked up to it. We got it hooked up to the Bluetooth. We got it hooked up to the Wi-Fi. Set up the account, put my name in there, all that good stuff. We're gonna throw some pellets in. We're using some Smokin Pecan pellets because that's what I run in most of my pits. So that's what we're gonna use in this one. Links down below if you want to save 10%. Also, I'll have a link down below for the Traeger, the Woodridge Pro. I have an affiliate link for it. Doesn't cost you more to use it, but if you want to grab one online, that's where you can do it. We have 860 inches of cooking space. We've got a 24-pound pellet hopper, which is more than enough to do your overnight cooks, right? Like I said, it's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, so you could be sitting on the couch. I mean, technically you go down to Home Depot, grab some more pellets, whatever, and you can check on your cooks from there. It's got the easy clean grease and ash keg, which actually is very easy. You pull it out, dump it, all that good stuff. From what I see after looking through a few videos on this actual pit, you still need probably a good vacuum to get a little of the ash that goes around the interior of the cooking space. The grease and ash clean out basket right there. It's really easy to pull out. You get those little inserts, so you can just pull out the tinfoil inserts and then you got a nice clean usage every time. Has the pop and lock accessory rails on the outside. I did not get any of those things yet, but there's like a paper towel holder on there. There's something to hold on to your spices and sauces and all that. Like I said, I won this, so it wasn't sent to me with all the goodies. So it has that super smoke mode. It has the pellet sensor in there, which is awesome. So when you're checking your app, you can see how many pellets are left. So that's cool too. Has that really cool old school pixel digital display. So I dig that. It came with one probe, but obviously you can buy more, or you can buy the meter probes that Traeger works with, the wireless meter probes that you can, pair up with the actual unit here. Sorry, you guys, this isn't such an in-depth review of this thing. We're just taking a look at it. We're going to do some more cooks obviously on it, but if you got questions about it, throw them in the comments. Really easy to, we're gonna set this thing up. We're gonna start the Traeger at 350 and we're gonna let that roll for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna crank this bad boy up to 500 degrees and let that roll for about 45 minutes. That gets all the factory junk, oils, all that burned off, and you gotta do that. You gotta do it on pretty much any pit you buy. So it's just part of the process. And once that gets done, we'll let it cool down and we'll start working on our next cook. Let's go ahead and get this burned off. All right, guys, let's turn this to 350. I love that pixelated display, I guess you call it. It's very like retro, old school. We put the temperature to 350, hit this button right here, hit it again, turned it from white to orange, and then we hit the ignite button, and now it's going through the ignition process. Now we're getting that good smoke rolling, guys. The burn off is happening. All right, it's been 15 minutes at the 350. We'll rock this thing to 500 degrees. Watch it pump up the temp. And 45 minutes at 500 degrees. All right, team, it's been the 45 minutes, 500 degrees. We're gonna shut this down. It's got a little cool down period. And the fan will turn off. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Obviously, it's pretty quick, pretty simple. There's a lot of great features we're all gonna learn together on this Traeger. So make sure you're subscribed because you will see more content on this. Doesn't mean I'm letting go of, the ninja stuff that I do or whatever, but I'm excited to have this, so we're gonna put out some content on it. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.